Greetings to everyone. Let's give you one. Okay, family. Just want to do some hot topics. See what's going on in the news right quick to kind of keep you informed and kind of stay informed. Set what's really going on. It's so crazy in America right now. Louisiana, my home state here, restriction cases. There's a lot of stuff going on with the gerrymandering, basically in plain English, politicians are trying to fix votes. It's just so crazy right now. Fair and square seem to have gone out the door. And this was really sad, right off the bat. This is why I know a lot of you not watching the news, but we've got to get some of it. We need to stay abreast of what's happening nonetheless. Trump administration, further job cuts likely to be north. I think that's that away of 10,000. Man, so crazy. And with the holiday season coming right up, so sad to hear about D'Angelo. That's one of my lady friends' favorite musician. In fact, she was the one who turned me on to Angela. And I like to sing it too. In fact, I like singing. You know, I'm old and well, old and young. This rap, though, I mean, it's just too much for me. What do you think about it? Uh, See what else going on. I really like family as I stroll what Don Lemon is doing with his on the scene news, on the spot news. I look forward to doing some of that. But in the meantime, I kind of just want to, from the comfort and safety of my home, I've had my days and times in the street. In fact, family, I'll tell you about that. The hot 60s, when I was coming up, it was crazy in America during that time. In fact, America almost burned down. I mean, after they killed Martin Luther King, it was fires and what they call riots, revolutions or rebellions all over the United States. So family, I'm going to stop right here on one of my favorite services now, ChatGPT. Family, if you hadn't got to it, get to it. It's not future, family. It's the present. It could be your way to increase your income and possibly make yourself self-sufficient. Create your own business, your own source of income. Ask ChatGPT about how to start a business and tell ChatGPT something about yourself, and it will kind of walk you through a business plan and all the information you need to have a business. Family, as I close, I was in a way kind of fortunate. Some, we all have rains and ups and downs, but I started working family in third grade. Never will forget Mrs. Jacob. Thank you. I was shooting marbles with my friends, 4 or 5 of us. She said, son, come here. We all got scared. Back then, we was afraid of adults, even though we was, boys, strong, healthy. And we all looked, she said, you, Miss Hawkins' son. Back then, everybody knew everybody's children and the neighbors. It's not like today. It's amazing. You can live next door to somebody 5, 10 years, never been in their home, they never been in your home, and never got any further than waving in the yard. But family, so I started breaking. She gave me a little change, 35, 15 cents. But that was a lot of money back then for a kid. I could buy a 10 cents baby roof and eat that for 2 days almost. It was so big. So then, family, I did that for a while, cut grass, sold pot bombs, and did all the things that back then young people did to hustle and make a little money. But now, I don't get it, family. Young people don't even go outside to play, let alone to work, to hustle, to earn money. So then, family, later on in life, I was able to form my own real estate business, my own bail bonding business, became a national certified legal assistant. One of the few, I hate to say it like this, black men probably in Colorado that have that designation. And in my career, has been able to help a whole lot of people. So, family, once again, if you need answers to legal help, you need answers to legal courses or consumer courses, I'm still your guy. Call me, dial me up, as they said. Let's see if I can find that answer that you are. Although there's a lot of things out here, chat, Google, you still have to know how to prompt. You still got to know how to ask the right questions and still garbage in, garbage out. I've had a lot of experience with the legal system in my 80 years, criminal and civil, and I'm pretty sure whatever legal issue or consumer issue you have, I can find a answer for it. Generally, we do that as a courtesy. Also, family, the free notary. It's also a courtesy, family, a way of me giving back to the community. If you can get to me, I'll do that notary for you for free, for good. Finally, family, in closing, it's crazy in America right now. It's a little scared outside. How do you feel? Do you feel safe in your home? I mean, in America, I feel safe in my home. But family, I tell you, when I go outside at 80, I can't wait to get back home. You know, the traffic is crazy. People in the stores are crazy on both sides. People's are. I saw one video, family, where a black woman, very nice looking woman, very shapely woman. You would never know she had two guns on backwards, like Wild Bill Peacock. And it's the wild, wild west out there. Be careful, be cautious how you talk to people, how you look at people. And in the meantime, thanks to me for listening.